Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Coda, create docs with powerful tables step by step clearly. To log into Coda, first, visit the Coda website. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you can enter your registered email address. After entering your email, provide your password in the designated field. If you prefer, you can also log in using Google or other linked accounts. Once all fields are filled, click the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Coda workspace. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your password via email. After successfully logging in, you can start creating new documents. Use the New Document button to begin a fresh project. In your new document, you can add powerful tables to organize your information. Explore various table features, such as formatting and calculations. Customize your tables to suit your project needs. Remember to save your changes frequently. Now you are ready to create and collaborate with Coda's versatile tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.